Star Tours now features more flights to more destinations every day, with the most on-time departures and arrivals in the galaxy. All our Star Speed 1000s are piloted by the very best Class 3 droids, the most competent and confident pilots you'll ever meet.
Welcome aboard.
And the birthdays, too.
Looks like we're ready for another on-time departure.
All Star Tours pilots are programmed to deliver you on time.
Oh, would you look at that?
Last time my wires got wet, I short-circuited and wound up repeating myself every 20 minutes. It was a nightmare. Give it a try.
It's about time. Binary motivators acting.
Binary is like a second language.
Just making a quick. We're scheduled to depart in a few minutes.
Then there's no time to lose. Off with you. On you go.
How do you guys down, bro?
Two droids. What? Now, this is not like you two. This could take longer than I thought.
Rotate, Jim. Row number 3, just go side by side.
Please pay attention to the following safety information. When the automatic doors have opened, please proceed directly across the ramp into the cabin. Continue to move all the way across your aisle, filling in every available seat. Galactic regulations require that all carry-on items be safely stowed beneath your seats. To fasten your restraint, use the yellow strap to pull the belt out from the right side of the seat and snap the belt into the buckle on your left. For your safety, remain seated throughout your flight with your restraints securely fastened, and please watch your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados, con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado, y cuiden a los pequeñitos.
Do not put on your flight glasses until instructed to do so by a crew member. One final reminder, smoking and photography are never permitted on any Star Tours flight. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask a Star Tours agent. You'll be boarding in just a few moments. Thank you.
All passengers, please prepare for immediate boarding.
Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure. Initiate takeoff sequence.
What?
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot. Attention, all transport hold for security trial. Stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
No, I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy. Oh dear.
This is the leader we're looking for. Blast them.
Shields up, R2. Where are we going? This is madness! Don't you dare make the jump alive! Thruster malfunction. Thrusters? Are they full?
This is a restricted area. What are you doing here?
I have no idea.
Stay clear of the combat zone.
Combat zone? Oh no! We've been hit! Brace yourselves! Nobody move! I need everybody move! Lean back! Didn't please! Oh, don't do something! The transmission. This is Cassian Andor with an urgent mission from the rebellion. With each day, the Empire grows more and more powerful. We need your help right now to fight back. Right now? But... Head to the coordinates I'm transmitting to you. Together we can win this. I'm counting on you. Wait! We're just tourists!
That's funny.
I don't like the look of this. Yes, I do believe these are Virgo. They are the legendary space wares. Right, it's all. And so serene. Oh no!
Star Tours. It's 2 against 1 here. Go with you some help.
Those winning never end!
Nicely done, Star Tours. Appreciate the help.
R2-D2, don't you dare!
Safe travels. Good to see you again, R2.
We will be landing shortly. I do hope you have enjoyed your flight and watch out! Thank the maker. That's right. On behalf of Star Tours, thank you for joining us.
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.